Will now be recorded.
Let's go with NumPy. Yeah, let's go with NumPy now. NumPy is basically a Python-based library. What is the use of NumPy? What is the NumPy first of all? NumPy nothing but numerical Python. Numerical Python. Numerical Python. So what we can do with NumPy? What are the different kind of operations we can do with NumPy? So in Python we can do simple list items, tuple items, dictionary items, whatever it may be. But what numerical Python can able to handle with? Numerical Python can able to handle with matrix operations. Matrix operations. Okay. Hmm. So what are the different kind of matrix operations we can able to perform? This is efficient, efficient numerical operations we can able to perform. Efficient numerical operations we can able to perform with NumPy. Working with large, working with large data, working with large multi-dimensional arrays and matrix. Multi-dimensional matrix. Okay, so let me go with the NumPy. How to work with the NumPy? What is the process of the NumPy? I'm going with the Jupyter notebook now. Collaboratory. I'm opening collaboratory and this is our file. Okay, so whenever you want to install NumPy, whenever you want to integrate NumPy, import NumPy as NP. Import NumPy, import NumPy as NP. This is a command you have to give. Import NumPy as NP. First of all, connect it to the cloud. Connected. Import NumPy as NP. So NumPy was integrated. NumPy as integrated. Now I need to create a simple array here. Let's go with a array. ARR array. NumPy array. This is equal to np dot array. NP already we have alias of NumPy, right? NP is the object alias of NumPy. NP dot array. NP dot array. So you will be creating a numerical array. Now I want to print this array. See, in Python we know list, in Python we know tuple, in Python we know set, in Python we know dictionary. But here this is array, numerical array. Okay, what is the value of this array? Can you see the structure is different? Parenthesis and parenthesis and square braces and square braces and parenthesis. Okay, let me have a two-dimensional array. array 2. I will be creating a two-dimensional array. Array 2. How to create a two-dimensional array? np.array. np.array. Now I want to create a two-dimensional array. How to create a two-dimensional array? Tell me how to create a two-dimensional array here.
Two lists you can give.
That's it. 1 comma 2 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3. That is the first array. Comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Now array 2. This is the single dimensional array. First what we created is a single dimensional array. Single dimensional. Single dimensional array. Keyboard is not working, sir. Single dimensional array. And this is what? Second one? Two dimensional array. Two dimensional array. Let me print a two dimensional array here. We got a two dimensional array. Can you see? Observe. Okay, there are some predefined built-in functions in NumPy. Let me try to work out. np.zeros. np.zeros. When you execute this zeros, but what are the dimensionals for this? 3 comma 3. 3 comma 3. What is the 3 comma 3 here? What is the 3 comma 3 here? 3 rows and 3
Three
columns.
comma three.
3 rows and 3
Yeah.
columns. Okay, only zeros. Only zeros. We got 3 rows and 3 columns. 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix. 3 comma 3 means 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, I want to populate all the values as zeros. I want to populate all the values as zeros. Now the same we can have one more method, np.ones. np.ones. Ones also there. And again whatever the matrix you want. 4 by 4 matrix I want. 4 by 4 matrix I want. Can you see? 4 rows and 4 columns. 4 rows and 4 columns with ones. With ones. Am I clear here? np.zeros is the predefined method. np.ones is the predefined method. All the values are populating with the zeros and ones. Next, there is a one more built-in method with the NumPy. np.i. I of 3. What is this I method can do? What is this I method can do? What I method can do? In the first row, first column, 1 is there. Second row, second column, 1 is there. Third row, third column, 1 is there. Okay, np.i 5. 5 rows and 5 columns are going to be generating, but 1 is going to be populating in the first row, first column, second row, second column, third row, third column, fourth row, fourth column, fifth row, fifth column. That is I value. In this way, you can able to work with the built-in methods. Okay, now I want to work with the one more method, one more built-in method. np.arrange. This is the built-in method. Arrange method. 0 comma 10 comma 2. What is the arrangement here? What is the arrangement here? Okay, so there is a attributor. NumPy module NumPy has an attribute np.arrange. We given. Is there any spelling mistake here?
No, sir.
Arrange. Okay, arrange the values 0 to 10 with 2 space. Okay, arrange the value 0 to 100 with 7 space. Please arrange 0 to 100 values with the 7 space. Can you see, observe? Please arrange 0 to 100 values with the 7 space. 0, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. It is a 7 table, na? Is it 7 table? I want to arrange,
Yes, sir.
yes, it is a 7 table. I want to arrange 0 to 100 values with the 7 space. That is arrangement. Okay. This is the one more important predefined method. There is a one more important predefined method, np dot np dot line space. What is the line space I want to take with the 0, comma 1, comma 5? Okay. What is the line space here? I want to arrange 0 to 1 with the 5 values, with the 5 line spaces. The minimum is 0, maximum is 1. Minimum is 0, maximum is 1. But arrange 5 values. Arrange 5 values between the 0 and 1. Okay. Arrange 10 values between 0 and 1. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7. Can you see, observe? Arranging 10 values, 10 values line spaces between 0 and 1. Between 0 and 1, 10 values are going to be taking. 10 values are going to be arranging. That is the line space method. Am I clear, guys?
Yes, clear.
Yeah, one more important points. Let me go. We have some array created.
Can you repeat this line space, sir?
One
What it
second.
is?
One second. Line space you want to observe. Suppose there is a 0, sir. Here you have 0, and here you have 1. Okay. Between this, I want to arrange 5 values. 5 values means five parameters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 to 1, I want to adjust 5 values. In between 0 to 1, I want to adjust 5 values means what? 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, something like that. What is the distance between the 0 to 1? In this 0 to 1, I want to stop at 5 areas. I want to stop at 5 areas. In between 0 to 1, I want to stop for 10 areas. 10 times I need to stop. First time I started with a 0 point. Second, I stopped at 0.1. I stopped at 0.2, 0.3. That is something like a line space. 0 to
But
1, just
but
divide.
if you see for 0.555, it is ending with 6 and 0.6 ending with 7, 0.7 ending with 8. So sort
No,
of
no,
like
no, no, no.
asking.
That is the floating value. That is the floating value. This numpy array is going to be dividing. Okay, let me take 0 to 10, 5. Okay, the 0 to 10. 0 to 10 means what? I want to arrange five distances between the 0 to 10. 5 distances. First stopped at 0.0. Second stopped at 2.5. Third stopped at 5. Next stopped at 7.5. Next stopped at 10. 5 values arranging between the 0 to 10. 5 values are arranging between the 0 to 10. I want to arrange 50 values between the 0 to 10. Between the 0 to 10, I am going to be arranging 50 values. Sir, this is something like spacing. Spacing.
Okay.
Okay, so
But
here,
here it is considering the 0 also, just for
yes, starting with
0
starting
is
point
also
also.
started.
Starting
Yeah.
point and ending point. Starting point, ending point compulsory consider. And spaces are going to be taking 50 spaces totally,
Okay.
including starting point and ending point.
Understood.
Including starting point and ending point, arranging 50 spaces basically. That is actually line space method,
Okay.
right? So we already have array already created array. somewhere I created array. Array 2. Okay. Array 2. We already created some array. One dimensional array, two dimensional array I created. Okay. Array 2 dot shape. There is a predefined method. All these are predefined methods, sir. Remember. I want to just see the shape of the array. What is the shape of the array? 2 by 3 matrix. 2 by 3, right? That is a multi-dimensional array, right? Array 2. What is the array 2? Can you see what is array 2? It is 2 by 3 matrix, right? 2 rows and 3 columns. That is 2 by 3 matrix. I just want to check the shape of the array. It is a 2 by 3 matrix. Go ahead. Okay, array 2 dot ndim method. What is the n dimensional? Okay, it is a 2 dimensional. Size. What is the size of the array? Array 2 dot size. These are the predefined methods. Remember, these are the predefined methods. Size means what? How many values which are going to be available in the array? How many values which are going to be available? That is size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 values are available. What is the data type of the array? Array 2 dot d type. D type nothing but
Integer.
data type.
Array data type. D type.
Integer.
Integer, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let me go with indexing and slicing with NumPy. What is indexing? What is slicing? You want to pick up a piece of the cake from the big cake. You have the big cake, right? So people are actually coming and taking the piece of the cake. Piece of the cakes. Piece of the cakes nothing but what? Slicing. Okay. This is a cake basically. I want to take a piece of the cake. I want to take a piece of the cake. I will take this much cake. I will take this much cake. That is a piece of the cake. It is something like indexing and slicing. You are going to be getting the data from this array. How to get the data from the array? Okay, let me create an array now. Some variable like a is equal to np.array. I am creating array now. Okay, so let me create array. This is the method, array method. Inside this, I want to create array. Let me create 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50 comma 60 comma 70. This is my a. What is the a value now? A is not defined.
You need to execute that, sir, once. Then it will take it. The borrow,
Yeah,
yeah. Once you
I got,
execute,
I
then
got, I
it
got,
will take
I
it.
got, I got, I got. Now I got array, simple array. What I want to do now? I want to take a slice of this array, take a piece of this array, a of 0 to 4, a of 0 to 4. Okay, I want to get the values from this array 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 means what? This is 0 to 4. 0 is the starting point. 0 is the starting point. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Always remember. The first is starting index. Second is, this is already we know in the list items. End index minus 1. First is the starting index 0. 4 means 4 minus 1 3. 0 to 3. Okay, 0 is printing, 1 is printing, 2 is printing, and even 3 is also printing. But 4 is not printing. 4 is not printing, sir. 4 minus 1 will print. Am I clear?
Sir, you keep like starting index is 0.
Hmm.
Otherwise it.
Starting index is 0, sir.
Yeah. In that comment, if you write it, whenever the person reads, no, they can easily understand.
Yeah, the starting index is 0 and ending index is -1. Ending index -1. It is something like 0. Starting index is nothing but 0.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Okay. Okay. So 10, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 nothing but 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 40. So till that it is going to be printing for. Okay. Let me create a one more array. Let me create a one more array. So something like a b. B is equal to np dot array. So indexing and slicing is very, very simple. Very, very easy. And this is the array I'm trying to creating now. And let's have 1 comma 2 comma 3 and comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. Okay, this is the array I am trying to creating now. Executed. B. What is the B now? It is something like a 3 by 3 matrix. It is something like a 3 by 3 matrix. Now you tell me, I want to access only 1 to 3, sir. How to access only 1 to 3? How to access?
0, sir.
Uh-huh.
0.
How
0.
exactly? Let me go.
3
Now,
columns.
B of 0. When I say B of 0, it is 1 to 3.
1 row.
It is 1 to 3. Why? Because, okay, imagine this is a matrix. This is the array. Inside the array, this is the first object. This is the first object. What is the first object? 1 to 3 is the first object. The first array is 1 to 3. And the second array is this. And third array is this. Okay. I want to access only 2, sir. How to access only 2? Slice. I want to access the piece only 2. Okay. B of 0 is that. B of
B
1
of
is this.
0, 1.
B of 1 is this. B of 1 is what? 4, 5, 6. B of 2 is what? B of 2 is what?
B of 0, comma 1.
Ah, Govinda
7, 8,
Babu.
9.
Govinda
7,
Babu.
8, 9.
7, 8, 10. Okay. I want to access only 2, sir. Only 2. Tell me.
B list 0, list 1. Like that.
Mm-hmm.
B
Then?
list 1 more, 0 and 1.
Ah,
Besides that, 1 more 1. Yeah, 1.
super.
1, 1. Yeah.
It is 2. It is 2. I got it.
2. Yes. Okay. Oh, got it. Okay. Suddenly, if I saw np.int6 before I saw something else. Okay.
No,
That
no,
is
no, no,
what
no.
it is.
Just
So why it
slicing,
is
sir.
coming that np.int64? The answer is 2 or what, sir?
Answer is 2.
Answer is 2.
Yeah. Then why it is
The
coming like
data
this?
type. Data type is coming.
But we are not asking no data type.
It will give.
Okay.
You don't ask, it will give.
Diwali bonus.
Diwali bonus. Okay, right. So let me do some NP operations, NumPy operations. NumPy operations. All these are very simple, sir. One time you practice it. That's it. Okay. All NumPy is basically very, very important for the data science, data analytics, even for artificial intelligence. When you people want to change your career to the data science, or when you people want to change your career to data analytics, or when you people want to change your career to artificial intelligence, this NumPy is very important after Python. After Python, once you learn Python fundamentals, then this NumPy is very, very important. Then we are discussing about the pandas in the coming classes. Pandas also very, very important. Panel data. Pandas is nothing but panel data. A panel is very, very important for the data science, data analytics, even for artificial intelligence. When you are getting the large scale of the data, millions of records, there is a DMART record, DMART related data I want to take. I want to take a Amazon related data. I want to take a Flipkart related data. I want to take a Shopify related data. I want to take a Myntra kind of data. That data is a panel data. It is containing with the strings and numbers. NumPy is only numerical Python. Only numbers are available in the NumPy. But pandas have numbers and strings also. Numbers and strings. Okay, I will show one panel here before going to the NumPy operations. Okay, panel or pandas in Python. Let's go with the pandas in Python. Let's see the images. Can you observe here? Can you people please observe here? This is containing strings and numbers or not? Name. All the names are strings or not? Or the team. Team is the strings or not? And headings are there. Name is there, team is there, number is there, position is there, age is there. This kind of data is a panel data. This kind of data is panel data. Somewhere you are getting the numbers, somewhere you are getting the strings also. And you will be having the column headings. You will be having the column headings. Column headings are strings or not? Column headings are strings or not? This is very much interesting basically. Pandas. Let's go pandas later, and let's go with new NumPy operations. Okay, let me take a array here. A is equal to np.array. I'm creating array. np.array. I am
Pandas
trying.
and NumPy both are dealing with arrays only, no sir. But the difference is it is having string and numbers.
Correct. Correct. 1 comma 2 comma 3.
Thank you.
Pandas is different kind of data it will allow. It will take a strings data, it will take a numerical data, but NumPy allow only numbers. NumPy allow only numbers. Getting my point? Govind Babu, Janardhan, Manasa, Rohit and Vishnu. NumPy allows only strings. Okay. What is the A here? Right. Then what is the B? I want to create a B and P dot array. I'm trying to creating 4 comma 5 comma 6. One more. One more. Okay, let's have the B. A and B both are available now. Let's see the B. What is the B here? This is the B. What is the A? Finally, I want to merge these two things. A plus B. Can you see and observe? What is the A? What is the B? What is the A? 1, 2, 3. What is the B? 4, 5, 6. What is A plus B? 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 6 plus 3, 9. Operation. Operation is performing. What is the kind of operation performing here?
Addition.
Addition, sir.
Arithmetic operation. Addition. Arithmetic operation. Addition. Plus means it is number. Numbers are numbers. We don't have strings here. Remember. Numbers, when you have numbers, it may be an integer value, it may be a floating value. Arithmetic operation is going on. Arithmetic operation is going on. A plus B is something like this. Okay, let's see. A minus B. A minus B. This is what? Okay. A into B. A into B. Super. A divided by B. This one. And A percentile B. Reminders. Okay. A to the power of B. Super. Super kada. These kind of mathematical operations we can able to perform. These kind of mathematical operations we can able to perform. And some other mathematical operations we can able to perform with. Okay.
Sir, but why you are declaring 2 times of open parenthesis and closed parenthesis, sir, while writing?
Sir, the first one is array function, sir. NumPy array function. This one
Okay.
is array function, and this is the
Okay.
list. This is the matrix.
Yes, but if you
Function,
scroll
function.
up, you have, see here 2 times.
See, first time this is np.array. It is a function, Python function. Python function have parenthesis na.
Okay.
That blue color is Python function, and this is array creation. Array creation, not list. This is list basically. You know this is list,
Yes.
but list with parenthesis is array, numpy array.
Array. Correct.
Yes, that is the
But
why
why
reason
is
this is
it blue one, sir? I mean, blue. I didn't
blue
understand.
one is function, sir. When you scroll here, built-in function. I got
But
a
if you
comment na.
scroll up, from the starting class, you have declared only one parenthesis only.
One parenthesis. If you take one parenthesis, it will give error. It seems, I think so. Maybe it is working. It is working. No issues. Yeah, you can go with a single parenthesis. Single parenthesis is function, and inside this we are going to be creating a list. That's it.
Okay.
Come down some other operations. Let me go with np dot square root. Np dot square root of a. I already declared a value. Okay. Square roots. What are the square roots of these arrays? Np dot exponents. Np dot exponents. Exp exponents. Exponents for a. Okay. Np dot log values. You know logarithmic values. Logs of a. There is a value like a summation. Np dot sum of a. These are the predefined methods in NumPy. You can work out. Summation 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. Some value. What is a, sir? 1 comma 2 comma 3, right? What is the a?
1
1
comma 2
comma
comma.
2 comma 3. What is the summation of a? 1 plus 2 plus 3. That is 6.
But what is log, sir? Here?
Logarithmic value.
Oh.
You don't know about the logarithmic values, huh? Okay. Np dot mean. Mean value. What is the mean value for the year? Mean median mode. Did you know mean median mode? Mean median mode. Anybody know about the mean value? Please tell me about the mean value, sir. Sir, your in school you learned about the mean value.
3
What is
3.
the mean value? How to calculate the mean value?
2
In
2. What is
statistics.
2?
In statistics, you know.
Two, two. Two,
You
sir.
have
Some
to add.
adding all the
You have
values
to
by
add
three.
all
How
the.
many numbers
No,
are there?
no. I am asking how to calculate mean value.
That is also 1 plus 2 plus 3 by 3 there in the above example I'm saying.
Mean is something like average, no?
Addition of
Yeah,
elements by
average.
number of elements.
Mean is what? Average, no? How to calculate average?
Sum of elements by number of elements.
Exactly. This is the what actually I'm asking. This is the answer I'm asking. Sum of the
Okay, I
elements,
did.
sum of the values divided by the number of values. That is
Exactly.
actually
Yes.
mean. Then what is mode? What is
Repeated
mode?
values.
What is
What
mode?
is the question, sir?
Mode. Mean, mode, median.
Boda. Forgot. What is the spelling, sir?
Mode, sir. Mean, mode, median, sir. Statistics, sir.
Repeated elements, sir. Repeated elements like
Repeated
frequency,
elements.
frequent wave.
Repeated elements,
Yeah.
exactly. So mean, mode, median. Okay. Later in the statistics, we will discuss about all these things. Huh? Don't worry. I'm not forcing you people. Okay. You know about the mean now. Mean now. How to calculate the mode also. Mode is something like a repeated value. What is the value which is going to be repeated number of times? That is actually called mode. Okay. Later we will discuss all these things, statistics. Right now, we don't want to jump into the different topic. Let me go. This is the mean value. Anyway, we know about the mean value and standard deviation. np dot standard deviation. There is a one more statistical function which is like a standard deviation. Later we can understand after the statistics. We will discuss statistics later. Statistics and data science also we will discuss later. Yeah, this is the standard deviation of NumPy. Okay, let me have some other operations with the NumPy. Okay, array is equal to np dot arrange. np dot arrange. Let me go 12. Something is missing.
Range spelling, sir.
Arrange spelling missing. Huh?
GE.
Arrange. Go ahead. Arranging 12 values in array. Later on, I want to do the reshape, sir. Array dot reshape. How to do the reshape? This is what actually single dimensional array. 0 to 11 values. 0 to 11 means I want to take a 12 values basically. 12 values are arranging. Okay, fine. But I want to do the reshape, sir. This is not actually good. It is going like a train.
2, 3.
Is going like a train. I don't want to do like that. I want to arrange 2 rows and 3 columns. 2, 3. Can I do the 2, 3 reshaping? 2 rows and 3 columns. Not
3,
possible.
4.
Let's wait.
Yeah.
3,
4 or 4, 3. Anything. 4, 3, sir.
12 values.
Yeah.
12 values means 2 into 6 you can do.
Yes, 2
3
into 6 or 4 into 3.
Yeah, 4 3. 4 3s are 12.
Yeah.
Right. Very good. 4 rows and 3 columns I want to arrange. Yeah, you can do reshaping it. Right.
Sir,
This is
arrange in the sense not arranging, no, sir. This meaning is different.
arrange means just one dimensional array. Reshape means you are shaping it. You are shaping into the matrix.
Okay.
Okay. I can do 3 by 4 and I can do 3 by 4. Can I do 3 by 4? 4 by 3 is
Yes.
possible. 3 by 4 is possible.
Yes.
3 by 4 is also possible. No? Okay. What is the operations for the 12? 1 into 12, 12 into 1, 1 into 12, 12 into 1, 2 into 6, 6 into 2, then 3 into 4, 4
Give 2
into
by
3.
6.
We can do it. No issues.
12 into 12 is 12, 1 also.
You can do it. 2 by 6. 2 by 6 also 12, na?
Yeah.
12,
Perfect.
1 also, sir.
Very good, sir. Already 12, 1 12 already work. Already
Not
there.
12, 1. You
Oh,
can get vertical.
No, 12 rows, 1 column. Okay.
people are genuine, huh? Okay.
Sincerely learning some nice.
Sincerely, people are learning, huh? Super.
Uh,
Right. Super. Right. So this is what actually reshaping. Okay. Let's go with the stacking arrays. How to do the stacking, like horizontal stack, vertical stack, all those things. Okay. Let me define array. Np dot array. Please give me. My God. Np dot array. Let me create array. 1, 2, 3. This is a value. I want to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Super. This is the a value. Somewhere we are doing the mistake. Please check it out. Array takes 1 to 2 positional arguments, but 3 we are giving. That is a problem. Field elements, tuples.
So one
Okay.
list is missing, sir. Yeah, one list there exactly.
Okay, that's good. Now I want to prepare the B also. This is the A now. I want to prepare the B. B is equal to np dot array 5 comma 6 7 comma 8. Right. Now this is the B. Now A and B both are ready. What my requirement is, I want to take the stack, yes, vertical stack, horizontal stack. There are two kind of stacks we have: horizontal stack, vertical stack. Np dot horizontal stack, H stack, A comma B. Automatically it is giving. Okay, super.
Sir, one small doubt, sir, and the
Go ahead. Go ahead.
before like previous output. When we declaring, we are giving open parenthesis now, sir, 2 times.
Yes, sir.
But while giving the output, it is giving two. I mean, one open parenthesis and this what is called
Square braces, huh?
square braces.
Sir, this is array, sir. Array is always containing with the parenthesis first of all.
Okay.
Array is compulsory containing with the parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, you are going to be having the data in the dimensionals. This is
That's what, sir.
in Python, you have the list item. List contained only square braces. You know that. Normal
Yes,
Python,
yes.
general Python, we know the list. List contain square braces. Tuple contain parenthesis. But this is array. Now in the NumPy, this is array. And first of all, that is the function. np.array is the function. Function nothing but this is the parenthesis contained with. And inside that you will be having array. This is the array. A green parenthesis you are finding, right? That green parenthesis array. And this is the object. This is the object. This is the first object. This is the second object. Can you see 1 comma 2 one object comma 3 comma 4 another object, comma separated values. This is the first object, sir. This is the second object, sir.
Okay.
Okay, this is the horizontal stack. 1, 2, 5, 6, and 3, 4, 7, 8. That is the horizontal stack. Let me go with the vertical stack then. Vertical stack np dot v stack. Horizontal stack h stack. Vertical stack v stack. V stack.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah.
That is the vertical stack. Horizontal stack and vertical stack both are available. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. There is the one more operation. There is the one more operation I want to perform. All these are very, very simple and very, very easy. You can able to understand. Let me create an array. np dot array. Then I'm trying to creating 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 also. Okay. This is my array right now. I want to paste this array. Okay, this is the array. But now my requirement is I just want to check it out. Print of array. My God, this is giving super. I don't ask this, but it is giving array of array greater than. Okay, array of array less than 60. What is the output of this?
10, 20, 30, 40,
10,
50.
20, 30, 40, 50.
Oh my God, you people are super. Okay, some operation I can able to perform like this.
But
Yeah,
AI is reading your brain, sir. Your next command.
I don't know. I don't know. Whatever I am going to be telling, AI is going to be reading.
For the
This
last
is
3 days, I am observing this.
and this is something. This is superb.
We will read the pattern how we are following.
Huh? This is my command line, sir. This is my editor. Okay. So array greater than 60. Okay. 70, 80, 90. That's it. This is a way of doing the operations. Okay. Let me go with the random numbers I can able to create with the numpy. np dot random. Do you know what is random? Sir,
Dynamic to print
in the
dynamic values.
in the classroom, what is happening, you know, in my childhood, uh, my teacher is actually randomly picking the student and asking the question suddenly. Randomly picking the students and asking the question suddenly. That guy is sleeping that time. Okay, random value is nothing but a random number. Okay, it is going to be generating random dot rand of 3 to or 3 comma 4. Now this np is going to be generating a random value.
3 or 4.
Sir, by default, random value is taking from 0 to 1, sir. 3 comma 4 matrix I want to prepare, but 0 to 1. The value should be in between 0 to 1 only. By default, random is going to be generating values between 0 to 1. Remember, when you go for the random, even JavaScript, even Java, any programming language you go, whenever you go for the random, it will take by default 0 to 1. So in between 0 to 1, randomly 3 by 4 matrix is going to be generating. What is the 3 by 4 matrix here? 3 rows and 4 columns. 3 by 4 means 12 values I want to generate. 12 values I want to generate in between 0 to 1. So the value more than 1, it will not come. The value more than 1, it will not come. Am I clear, sir?
Yes.
So between 0 to 1, all the values are going to be generating. Let's go with 4 by 6 matrix. Random. 0 to 1 only. 4 6 sir, 4 6
24.
34
24.
24, sir.
24, sir. 24 values are going to be generating, sir. 24 values are generating in between 0 to 1 only. It will not
Yes,
beyond
sir.
of it will not beyond of the 1. Okay,
Sir, if
let
you
me
give rand of 0,
0 na.
Hmm.
0 means what? Nothing. Sunna. Okay, fine. This is a random method. Okay, I just want to go with the randint. Okay, np dot random dot randint of okay. Oh my God, whatever I am thinking, this is giving, sir. 10 comma 100 comma 5. This is
you have
this is
given
super.
access to your brain.
This is super. Okay. Okay. Randint of 10 to 100, sir. I want to take the values from 10 to 100, or I want to take the value from 0 to 100. 0 to 100, only 5 values randomly take. 0 to 100 students are available, sir, in the classroom, or 1 to 100 values are available in the classroom. In 1 to 100, pick up random values. Sir, every time these numbers are changing. If I execute the program one more time, these values are actually changing. These values are actually changing. Randomly picking the values. Randomly pick the 5 values from 1 to 100. Can you observe here what is happening every time? Randomly values are changing. How many number of times you execute the program? You can execute it. Randomly values are changing, sir. That is the random value. Okay, rand. There is a one more method, np dot random dot random. Oh my God, this is reading my brain super. Wow. And then I want to actually give, that is automatically give random of 5 comma 6. Yeah, random of 5 comma 6, 5 by 6 matrix, 5 by 6 matrix. Okay, seed. I want to check the seed value. Random np dot random np dot random dot seed of 34.
And in the above value, it is giving minus values as well.
Rand n, the method is different. Even it is give the negatives also,
Okay.
but between the 0 to 1. Okay, np. Oh my God, this is mistake. I given comma. Okay, seed value np dot random dot seed np dot random dot seed reproduce the values. Okay, these are the important functions which are going to be available, and np dot one more important function, unique function. np dot unique of array. We already have array na? Array 1, array 2 we have array 2. What is the unique value from the array 2? These are the unique values of array 2. Okay, I want to check it out. Square root np dot square root of array 2, square root values of array 2. These are the square root values. Right. So these are the different kind of methods in NumPy, sir. Please go ahead and carefully check with the different kind of operations, indexing and slicing, creating of NumPy array, do with the indexing and slicing, do with the I operation, np dot zeros, np dot ones, and we will be having arithmetic operations on NumPy. You can do the arithmetic operations. You can do mathematical operations, kind of square roots, kind of powers, kind of mean values. There are huge number of NumPy operations you can do with. And later we will discuss about the pandas. In coming class, we will discuss about pandas. Pandas is superb, where you can able to do the different kind of operations in pandas. And this is about NumPy. Any questions so far till now in NumPy? If people are enjoying it, seems we are learning
Yes,
NumPy
sir.
with a beautiful manner. Even pandas also we will learn like this. Even Flask we will learn like this. We will Django we will learn like this. We learn Python, complete Python, free of cost from Mohansh Technologies.
Sir,
Yes, madam. Manasa.
sir,
Tell, tell me.
in the index slicing, 0 to 4, it's only giving the value 0 to 3 values, sir.
Right.
In the reverse index, if we code the -1 to -4, it is also give the same value, or -1 to -4, the values it is giving, sir.
No, 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 no. When you go for the forward index, it will go for the 0 to 4 means 0 to 3 values only giving. But reverse index, it is -1 to -3 means -1, -2, -3 will give. When you go with
So
the
it
reverse
will give the reverse when we use the reverse index, we will give full
ah,
values.
full values. Forward index only, it will take -1. Next, second one is -1. Reverse index -1 to -3 means -1, -2, -3. That's it. In forward index 0 to 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3. Not 4. 4 will not include. In forward index, it will go with the -1. But in the reverse index, -1 to -3 means -1, -2, -3 will come. Getting
Okay,
understand,
sir.
Manu?
And,
Right.
yes, and one more
Right.
thing. What is the difference between RAND and RAND N, sir? The both are same, similar. So I don't get it, sir.
Randa?
RAND and RAND N. RAND N is okay. It's integer values is randomly taking 5, 4, 3. I get it, sir. But RAND and RAND N. So what is the difference between both of them?
Rand then will go with negatives also, Manasa. It will take negatives also. Positives and negatives.
So rand value only take positives, rand and it takes both of them,
Exactly.
positive and
Exactly.
negative.
Exactly. Random will take
Okay.
negatives also.
Okay, sir.
And
Understood.
one more simple thing, sir. One simple announcement. We will be having a 11 o'clock Python full stack machine learning with artificial intelligence 45 days. We are going to be starting today. Today it seems Diwali day. And one more batch. Marna stack also we are starting. Marna stack also we are starting at 11 p.m. to 12 p.m. Okay, this one is full stack and this one is Marna stack. These two batches are going to be starting today. Please join with the classes. Enjoy the classes. All are free. No need to pay money. No need to pay money. Mohansh is giving a blockbuster big bomb today. That is actually Marna stack free of cost. Python full stack free of cost. Just learn, enjoy, and refer your friends also.
Sir,
Please
now
share with
HTML
your.
class is there, sir.
Yes, sir. We have the class, sir. Please, I'm just quitting now. I have one more class now.
Okay.
We have the UI class. Okay. See you signing off. Please like, share, subscribe the channel.